Hi, my name is Onyeka Chukwudozie. I'm a Ph.D. student here at the University of California, San Diego, and I'm currently a member of the Ollmann Saphire lab here at the Jolla Institute for Immunology in San Diego. So my research, I could say I'm a virologist, and I'm also an immunologist. I'm also a structural biologist because I adopt cryo-EM high-resolution atomic structure to study the function of viral proteins. I also use the cryo-EM application to look at mechanism at which vaccines neutralize viruses. For example, Ebola and Lassa, which I specifically study. I use cryo-EM high-resolution structure to characterize neutralizing and non-neutralizing antibody, looking at the specific epitope at which they bind to, their preferential epitope binding. So basically that's what I do. So I've been able to use this approach for both Ebola studies and for Lassa virus studies as well. I love immunology because I grew up from Nigeria, so I've come to witness so much viral pandemics, and it's actually stirred up my zeal to study the immunological responses to this viral infection. If I was not an immunologist, obviously I'm going to be a virologist, which is what I'm still doing right now. So nothing outside that field, so I'm also going to be a virologist if I was not strict immunology. But like I say, I do virology, immunology, and structural biology. One of my favorite assays I love doing is the pseudotype neutralization assays. I really love doing that a lot because it tells you because I work with antibodies, so this assay tells me how well this antibody neutralizes these viruses by blocking their attachment with a host receptor. I'm very, very lucky to work with Ollmann Saphire. It's my greatest pleasure. I'm always happy that I'm here. But if it's not Ollmann Saphire, which immunologist I would really love to work with? I think I also like the research Professor Clive Gray does in South Africa, because I was opportunity to meet Professor Clive Gray during the Immuno-Ethiopia conference, maybe around 2001, no, 2020, I still remember. Well, here in America, we have several conferences that we attend. As an immunologist, I attend the American Society for Virologists, American Societies for Microbiologists. I also attend the American Crystallography Society because I'm also a structural biology, because I adopt cryo-EM to what I study. So it's a conference I'm also going to recommend for the immunologists, because now we're introducing structural approach to see how this immune system tackles and attack these viruses, and also to see how these viruses escape this host immune system, especially during the case of mutation. This being an ambassador for Immuno-Ethiopia means a lot to me. It's something I don't take for granted. Like, I never dream I'm going to be an ambassador for a world-renowned society as the Immuno-Ethiopia itself. So I'm grateful for this opportunity. It means a lot to me because I tell people a lot about Immuno-Ethiopia and the impact that has on me, basically. So I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much for nominating me as the Ambassador of the Month, and I'll keep representing the society well. Thank you.